Storm chaser.
Your safety in the park is our top priority.
Sorry, we don't get to hear the end of the safety announcement, unfortunately. Here we go. And straight down. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! I love it. Doesn't get better than the back one.